Everyone, today I am sharing a beautiful and easy fabric flower craft ideas. You can make these lovely flowers by using old fabric pieces from your home. Cut the fabric into small circles or flower shapes and arrange them carefully. Add a button or pearl in the center to make the flower look more beautiful. These fabric flowers can be used for home decoration, gift wrapping, and hair accessories and many other creative projects. Today let's make a cute and colorful butterfly using simple fabric pieces. This craft is very easy and fun for everyone. Cut the fabric into the shape of butterfly wings and join them together. You can use different colors and patterns to make your butterfly look bright and beautiful. Add small details and decorate in your own creative way. This lovely craft is perfect for wall decoration or handmade projects. We are making a simple and beautiful forbid bow. You only need a small piece of fabric and a little creativity. Fold the fabric carefully and tie or join it in the middle. You can make the bow in different colors and sizes. And this cute fabric bow can be used for gift decoration, hair accessories, clothes, and many other craft ideas. Today craft idea we are making a beautiful heart using old fabric pieces. First, cut the fabric into a heart shape. You can use soft and colorful fabric to make it look attractive. Decorate the heart with buttons, ribbons, or small fabric flowers. This easy craft can be used as a lovely decoration or a handmade gift for someone special. Today I am sharing a simple and creative fabric wall hanging idea. Take some colored fabric pieces and cut into them different shapes. Arrange them in a beautiful design and attach them to a base. You can add flowers, hearts, ribbons, or other decorations. This handmade fabric wall hanging can make your room look more colorful and creative. So friends, let's make a beautiful Christmas tree craft using fabric. Cut green fabric into different sizes and shapes. Arrange the piece like layers of Christmas tree. Add small decoration, stars, ribbons or pearls to make it look more festive. This easy fabric craft is perfect for Christmas decoration and can bring a lovely handmade touch to your home. And today we are making a simple and beautiful star using fabric. Choose a colorful fabric and cut into a star shape. You can make a small or large stars according to your choice. Decorate them with beads, buttons or shiny pieces. These fabric stars can be used for party decoration, room decoration, and special handmade craft project. So it's a very amazing, this is a very amazing fabric leaf craft. So today I am sharing an easy fabric leaf craft ideas. Take some green or colorful fabric and cut into a different leaf shape. Add simple lines in the middle to make the leaves look more realistic. You can use these beautiful fabric leaves with flowers or wall decorations. This is a simple and useful way to turn old fabric into something creative. Fabric rose craft is an amazing idea. Let's create a beautiful fabric rose. Take a long strip of fabric and fold it carefully. Start rolling the fabric slowly to make the shape of a rose. Keep arranging the fabric until it looks like beautiful petals. You can use red, pink, white or any other color. These handmade fabric roses are perfect for decoration and creative gift ideas. And I am sharing a cute fabric doll craft idea. You can use old and soft fabric pieces to make a small handmade doll. Cut and arrange the fabric carefully to create a body and cloth. Add simple details to make your doll look more beautiful and creative. This fun craft is a great way to reuse old fabric. And hope you like all ideas in collection. I am sharing some amazing ideas for using a small fabric. scarves, and even tiny pieces on old fabric can become beautiful flowers, both hearts, leaves, and other decoration. You don't need to waste your old fabric. With a little imagination and creativity, you can turn simple fabric pieces into something useful and beautiful. So collect your fabric scarves, scraps, and start creating your own amazing craft today. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos, and thanks for support my channel, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And it's a very amazing. Let's make a cute Christmas tree with paper, and easy, affordable, and fun to make. Add some decorations and give your home a lovely Christmas touch. Small crafts can make a big difference. Create this cute Christmas decoration with simple materials you already have at home. Try it and make your Christmas extra special. Thank you so much. Take care.